Following a periodic maintenance schedule is important for engine longevity. Kawasaki makes it easy to perform the proper routine maintenance on your engine. Simply pick up the appropriate tune-up kit at your local dealer. These kits include genuine Kawasaki oil, oil filter, spark plug, fuel filter, and air filter, as well as complete instructions on how to perform this maintenance. Kawasaki's maintenance guidelines are simple to follow and critical in keeping your Kawasaki engine running strong. When changing the oil and oil filter, the machine should be parked on a level surface and the engine should be at operating temperature. Be careful, the oil is hot and can cause burns. You'll want to place a pan under the engine oil drain when removing the drain plug. The type of oil drain on the engine is chosen by the mower manufacturer. The choices are Kawasaki drain plug or Kawasaki flexible drain valve. If the Kawasaki engine currently on your mower has the drain plug, a flexible drain valve can be purchased from your local authorized Kawasaki engines dealer. The equipment manufacturer may also have a slightly different variation of a drain system. Please consult the equipment manufacturer if you are unsure of oil drain on your specific machine. Allow the oil to drain completely from the engine. Next, remove the filter and allow the oil to drain from the block. If your engine has an O-ring, you should replace it before reinstalling the drain plug. Coat the O-ring with fresh oil before replacing it on the plug. You'll want to put some oil on the plug and O-ring before threading it into the engine. Thread the drain plug into the engine and tighten it to 61 inch-pounds. Before you install the new filter, verify the sealing surface is clean. Replace the filter with a new Kawasaki oil filter. Before installing the new filter, apply a light film of clean oil to the rubber seal. Install the oil filter, turning it until the seal contacts the mounting surface of the engine. When contact is made, turn the filter by hand 3/4 of a revolution to tighten it to the proper specifications. At this point, you may refill the crankcase oil to the proper level. Please refer to the owner's manual for specific fill requirements based on your specific engine model. Select the proper weight of genuine Kawasaki K-Tech oil. With the oil at the proper level, start and run the engine at low idle for 3 minutes. Inspect the engine for oil leaks at the oil filter and drain plug as it runs. This is also a good opportunity to look for other leaks around the rocker covers, crankcase cover, and governor seal. After 3 minutes, stop the engine. Wait at least a few minutes for the oil to settle and then recheck the oil dipstick level. Always remember that if you have questions regarding your Kawasaki engine, you should contact your local authorized Kawasaki engines dealer for the best information and service available. And remember to protect your investment by always choosing genuine Kawasaki parts for your engine maintenance. If you need help finding a local dealer, please visit KawasakiEnginesUSA.com and click on the Dealer Locator.